Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna solve arithmetic mean problems. Every day we use these problems in our life. You will see this in the next problems which I will solve for you. Arithmetic mean is also called average or just mean. The term average is used in two ways, with and without the qualification, arithmetic mean. For a list of the data, the average arithmetic mean of the data is the sum of the data divided by the number of data. Without the qualification of arithmetic mean, the average can refer to a rate or the ratio of one quantity to another, as in average numbers of miles per hour. To calculate the mean of n numbers, take the sum of the n numbers and divide it by n. So, arithmetic mean of n numbers is equal to a of 1 plus a of 2 plus etc. plus a of n divided by n, where a of 1 is the first number and a of n is the last number. Let's compute the arithmetic mean of these 5 numbers. The arithmetic mean of these 5 numbers is equal to the sum of these 5 numbers, 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 16 plus 35 divided by 5. It's equal to 14. Now let's start solving problems. Barbara has marks of 92%, 86%, and 89% on her first 3 tests. What mark must she get on her next test in order to have a 90% average overall? So Barbara must get 8% on her next test to have a 90% average overall. So the average of these 4 marks is 90. So 92 plus 86 plus 89 plus 8 divided by 4 is equal to 90. A is equal to 93. She must get 93% on her next test to have a 90% average overall. A certain college has a student-to-teacher ratio of 11 to 1. The average arithmetic mean annual salary for teachers is $26,000. If the college pays a total of $3,380,000 annual salaries to its teachers, how many students does the college have? A certain college has a student-to-teacher ratio of 11 to 1. The average annual salary for teachers is $26,000. The college pays a total of $3,380,000 annual salaries to its teachers. So this college has $3,380,000 divided by 26,000 teachers. It has 130 teachers. The ratio of students to teachers is 11 to 1, so students are 11 times more than teachers. So this college has 130 multiplied by 11 students. It has 1430 students. Now let's solve next problem. The average temperature for the first 4 days of the week was 50 degrees. If the average temperature for the next 3 days was 43 degrees, what was the average temperature for the entire week? The average temperature for the first 4 days of the week was 50 degrees. A of 1 plus A of 2 plus A of 3 plus A of 4 divided by 4 is equal to 50. The average temperature for the next 3 days was 43 degrees. A of 5 plus A of 6 plus A of 7 divided by 3 is equal to 43. AF1 plus AF2 plus AF3 plus AF4 is equal to 50 multiplied by 4 is equal to 200. AF5 plus AF6 plus AF7 is equal to 43 multiplied by 3 is equal to 129. The sum of these two equations will be AF1 plus AF2 plus etc. Plus AF7, which is equal to 200 plus 129, 329. The average temperature for the entire week was 329 degrees divided by 7. It was 47 degrees. For the first 100 miles of her trip, Susan drove at 50 miles per hour. Then, because of construction delays, she drove at only 40 miles per hour for the next 120 miles. What was her average speed in miles per hour for the entire trip? For the first 100 miles of her trip, Susan drove at 50 miles per hour. So the distance that she went is 100 and her rate is 50 miles per hour. Time that she drove these 100 miles is equal to 100 divided by 50 is equal to 2 hours. For the next 120 miles, she drove at only 40 miles per hour. So our distance is 120 and her rate is 40 miles per hour. She drove 3 hours. To calculate her average speed for the entire trip, we should divide the entire distance by time that she drove. So her average speed for the entire trip was 100 plus 120, 220 divided by 2 plus 3, 5. It's equal to 44 miles per hour. Now let's solve this next problem. A club sold an average arithmetic mean of 92 raffle tickets per member. Among the female members, the average number sold was 84. And among the male members, the average number sold was 96. What was the ratio of the number of male members to the number of female members of the club? Number of female members is n. Among the female members, the average number sold was 84. So AF1 plus AF2 plus etc. plus AFN divided by n is equal to 84. The number of male members is m. Among the male members, the average number sold was 96. So BF1 plus BF2 plus etc. plus BFM divided by m is equal to 96. And as you remember, a club sold an average of 92 raffle tickets per member. So A1 plus etc. plus AFN plus BF1 plus etc. plus BFM divided by n plus m is equal to 92. AF1 plus AF2 plus etc. plus AFN is equal to 84 multiplied by n. And BF1 plus BF2 plus etc. plus BFM is equal to 96 multiplied by m. So 84 multiplied by n plus 96 multiplied by m divided by n plus m is equal to 92. So the number of male members m is equal to 2 multiplied by n, the number of female members. So the ratio of the number of male members to the number of female members of the club is 2 multiplied by n to n is 2 to 1. Next problem says, the average of 10 positive integers less than 120 is 100. If the lowest and highest numbers are disregarded, the average of the remaining of 8 numbers is 160. The question is, what is the possible lowest integer that was disregarded? There are 10 positive integers less than 120. And the average of these 10 numbers is 100. If the lowest and highest numbers are disregarded, the average of the remaining of 8 numbers is 106. The lowest number is a of 1 and the highest number is a of 10. So a of 2 plus etc. plus a of 9 divided by 8 is equal to 106. So a of 1 plus a of 2 plus etc. plus a of 9 plus a of 10 is equal to 100 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1000. And a of 2 plus a of 3 plus etc. plus a of 9 is equal to 106 multiplied by 8 is equal to 848. So a of 1 plus a of 10 is equal to 1000 minus 848 is equal to 152. We should find the possible lowest integer. For that, a of 10 should be the possible highest, and it should be less than 120, so it's 111. The possible lowest integer that was disregarded is 152 minus 111 is 33. If this video helps you, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click to the notification bell to be notified when I upload my next videos. Bye!